MondoTunes Musicians Distribution Platform Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to the platform and relevant tools are in the description. Let's break down what MondoTunes offers, who it's for, and whether it's worth using. MondoTunes is a digital music distribution platform designed for independent artists, labels, and industry professionals looking for extensive global reach. Unlike standard distribution services, MondoTunes stands out by offering access to one of the largest networks of online music stores, reaching over 600 digital platforms worldwide, including major DSPs like Spotify, Apple Music, and Amazon, as well as niche regional stores in Asia, Europe, and beyond. This makes it a strong option for artists aiming to expand their audience internationally. One of its key features is unlimited distribution with a one-time fee per release, meaning there are no annual renewal costs. This is beneficial for artists who prefer a pay-once model rather than a recurring subscription. MondoTunes also provides additional artist services such as professional mastering, promotional support, and press releases, making it more than just a distribution platform. For independent musicians looking for label-level services without signing a deal, these extra offerings can be a valuable advantage. Who is it for? MondoTunes is ideal for independent artists, small labels, and musicians who want maximum global distribution without dealing with annual renewal fees. It's also a great option for those who need extra services like PR and mastering to boost their music's quality and visibility. Strengths. First, its vast distribution network gives artists exposure in global markets that many competitors don't reach. Second, the one-time fee model is appealing for artists who want to avoid annual charges. Third, the additional services like mastering and PR can help independent artists who need extra support in their career development. Weaknesses? While the global reach is impressive, MondoTunes doesn't provide as many built-in marketing tools as some competitors like DistroKid or TuneCore. Additionally, the platform's pricing may not be the best choice for artists who release music frequently, as paying per release can add up over time. Final verdict: if you're looking for global distribution with a pay-once model and access to additional artist services, MondoTunes is a strong contender. Check out the links in the description to explore it yourself.